An example of an infinitive subject with an infinitive verbal complement. To schedule an appointment for this month was not possible. What are we talking about? To schedule an appointment. To schedule an appointment is the infinitive phrase subject with the words to schedule functioning as the infinitive subject and the word appointment functioning as the infinitive verbal complement. To schedule what? To schedule appointment. An example of an infinitive functioning as a predicate nominative with a complement. Her goal was to complete the report by Tuesday. What are we talking about? Goal. Goal is the noun subject. What about goal? Goal was. The word was is the main verb. The word was expresses a state of being. Goal was what? Goal was to complete the report by Tuesday. To complete the report by Tuesday is an infinitive phrase with the words to complete functioning as the infinitive predicate nominative. To complete what? To complete report. Report is the infinitive complement. An example of an infinitive direct object with an infinitive verbal complement. Who needs to borrow my pen? Whom are we talking about? Who. Who is the pronoun subject. What about who? Who needs? Needs is the main verb. Who needs what? To borrow my pen. To borrow my pen is an infinitive phrase with the word to borrow functioning as the infinitive direct object. To borrow what? Pen. Pen is the infinitive verbal complement.